There's a reason I don't short real companies. Today's stock is PWER, PWER-10-28-2009. They're actually a real company. They make AC/DC converters, all kinds of power solutions, actually a bunch of renewable energy type stuff. Actually look to be a real and decent company. But what the reason I shorted it was the chart right here. It had run up pretty much $1 stock for quite some time. This month it's run up from $1.40 to $3, and then yesterday I saw some fading action right here. It was faded off 330 on Monday. Yesterday was flat all day and then started to fade into the close, so I shorted it when I saw it cracking 3. Actually got filled at just over 3, like 301. So if anything, I was early. Then it really was a good short this morning. It was just excruciatingly slow and boring, but that's what real companies do, and that's why I don't short real companies. But you can see, let me zoom. This morning, like I said, it looked pretty good. Cracked 3, and I was pretty happy, and dropped all the way to 2.8, and then touched 279. But you can see if you go back on the chart, there's a lot of support at 2.8, and I should have just covered it the instant it bounced off that. I got pretty lucky that it rose back up above 290s, but then faded again, and then it's quarter to 15 minutes to close, so I just closed it out because I got back to 285. It definitely could fade more, and I think it may, but the dilemma is, once again, back to the fact there's a real company, there's support in the 280s, and I don't overlook this. They're at some Solar Power International conference right now in Orlando, and then they got another one coming up in Detroit. Oh, that'll probably go over great, but they're definitely out there milking it and showing their stuff off at all these conferences and everything. So that bothers me. If they were a junk trash company, then I'd hold this and I would wait for it to fall all the way back to the low 2s or below. But the fact that I got a $424 profit out of it, I will take it, especially when, just like yesterday, and it seems like every day lately, it's not a good play, but a profitable one. So even though the chart looks good, I'm not crazy about a $420 profit. I'd much rather see a lot more than that, and I think there's more to be wrung out of this turd, but I'll take what I got considering the mistakes I made. So hopefully tomorrow will be a trash bag company that drops $2 in 15 minutes, and we'll have something good to talk about.